Today, I will show you how to generate AI photos and images without using Gemini. This is a full step-by-step guide that anyone can follow. We will use Leonardo AI, which is one of the best image generation tools available right now. First, open your browser and go to Leonardo AI. You will find the link in the description of this video. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Leonardo offers free credits, which are enough to generate many images. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Look for the image generation option and click on it. This is where all image creation happens. Before generating an image, you need a clear idea of what you want. AI works best when you give clear instructions. Decide what type of image you want. It can be a realistic photo, a cartoon, an illustration, a logo, a character, or a background image. Now open ChatGPT in another tab. ChatGPT will help you write a strong prompt. This is very important. Instead of typing random words, you want a detailed and clear description. For example, you can ask ChatGPT something like this. Write a high-quality AI image prompt for a realistic photo of a young gamer sitting in a dark room with RGB lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic, sharp focus, high detail. ChatGPT will generate a long and well-structured prompt. Copy the full prompt. Go back to Leonardo AI and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Make sure the prompt is clean and readable. If Leonardo AI has a negative prompt box, use it to avoid unwanted things like blurry images, extra fingers, watermarks, or text. Next, choose the right model. Leonardo usually has different models for realism, art, or illustration. If you want a realistic photo, choose a photorealistic or realism model. If you want art or anime style, choose a model made for that style. Set the image size. A square image works well for most uses. If you want a wallpaper or thumbnail, you can choose a wide format. Now check the guidance or prompt strength setting. Do not set it too high. A balanced setting gives cleaner results and avoids strange distortions. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Leonardo AI will create multiple images based on your prompt. Look at each image carefully. If the image is close but not perfect, that is normal. AI image generation works best with small improvements. Go back to ChatGPT and refine your prompt. You can ask it to improve lighting, remove background clutter, make the subject more realistic, or change the mood. Copy the improved prompt and generate again in Leonardo AI. Repeat this process until the image looks exactly how you want. This back and forth process is how professionals use AI image tools. Once you are happy with the result, download the image in the highest quality available. Leonardo AI usually allows high-resolution downloads, which is great for YouTube thumbnails, social media, and websites. This method allows you to generate AI photos and images without using Gemini at all. Leonardo AI gives you more control, better quality, and more consistent results, especially when combined with ChatGPT for prompt creation. If you want a powerful and reliable way to generate AI images, Leonardo AI is one of the best options available. You will find the Leonardo link in the description, so you can start generating your own images today.